Get ready to transform your academic life with this incredible guide to peak performance. This book is your ultimate roadmap to success, packed with practical steps and exciting strategies to boost your learning power. Introducing Peak Performance Daily, transforming your life through active learning. A groundbreaking guide to unlocking your full potential through innovative educational approaches. Creative thinking, tips, tricks, and stories is a dynamic exploration of innovation and its transformative power across various fields. Introducing Great Minds and Their Teachings, your passport to the brilliant world of history's most influential thinkers and doers. Get ready for an exciting journey through time as you meet incredible people who changed the world. Logic Leap is an essential guide for anyone looking to sharpen their analytical skills and enhance their decision-making abilities. This compelling book takes readers on an intellectual journey through the world of critical reasoning. Mindcraft is an illuminating journey into the world of soft skills and their profound impact on personal and professional success. This book offers a comprehensive exploration of the often overlooked yet crucial abilities that set great achievers apart in today's competitive landscape. My Math Bites is an engaging and thought-provoking journey through the fascinating world of mathematical puzzles, paradoxes, and problems. This book is designed to challenge, entertain, and educate readers of all ages and mathematical backgrounds. Introducing Passion Blueprint, your guide to unlocking extraordinary performance through purpose. This inspiring book takes you on an exhilarating journey through the lives of remarkable individuals who've turned their passions into world-changing success stories. Unlock the secrets to academic excellence with our groundbreaking book, Mastering Study Skills, Your Path to Success. This comprehensive guide is packed with proven strategies to supercharge your learning and boost your grades.
Get ready to ignite your inner trailblazer with the Trailblazers Toolkit. This explosive book is your ultimate guide to turning passion into a thrilling career adventure.